Assalamu alaikum, boys and girls. Wa alaikum assalam. Right, I want you to look at the board behind me and we're going to comprehension written. Very good. Now, list 5 qualities of a good scientist. Any 5. Curiosity and patience, good. Observation skills, creative, very good. Communication skills and time management, good. Now, why must they have curiosity and patience? They have to be curious about the world around them and they never give up. They keep on trying. Observation. Why must they have good observation? Exactly, they need to observe why this is happening and how we can better it, or if it's not right, what should we do to make it more effective? Very good. And then what do they do with that? They record it. Good. Now, why should they be creative? Good. They have to be creative to think of new ideas which will go with the new experiments. Why is time management necessary for a scientist? Exactly. They need to plan and experiment. What else? Record details and results of all the experiments that they do. Now, scientists must also have good communication skills, because supposing if they've found a very good discovery, they need to be able to talk about it on the media. Okay, good. Now, books in general are very good, but what role do the books play in the life of a scientist? Tell me. Good. Exactly. They give scientific information and knowledge of a certain topic. Such as if they're learning about astronomy and they find a book about stars and planets, there might be something in there which is very useful for them. Now, some books will give them data analysis, some might have experiments, or they might have diagrams or pictures of scientific experiments which will help them in their experiments. Now, for further research, they need to look at books. Okay? And how can they do that? Looking at the books, looking at the experiments that are done in those books, and perhaps they might come across some rare books which will be very useful because they've been preserved and kept very, very, how? Yes, of course. Yes, Ibn Sina was allowed to use the Royal Library. Very good. So that's where he probably found some rare books on medicine. Good. Now, arrange the important events of Ibn Sina in order. So from 1 to 9, from when he was born until he died, we need to write down what there was. So let's just have a brief look. He was born in 370 in Afshana, Bukhara. And by the age of 10, what happened? Very good. He had memorized Quran. And he was introduced to various religions, philosophies, and scientific teachings at a very young age. He turned to medicine at the age of, very good, when he was 16. And not only did he learn theoretical medicine, but he also discovered new methods of treatment. Right, now, Ibn Sina cured someone. Whom did he cure? Very good, Amir Noor. And because he was cured, what did he allow him to do? Make use of the Royal Library. Now, when his father died, Ibn Sina's, what happened? Good. He left Bukhara and he went to the court of the Khwarezmian dynasty. What did he do there? He wrote books. Good. And then he wrote 2 of his own books. Good. And then Kitab al-Shifa and Qalbi-Riya, remedies of the heart. Good. Then what happened? Where did he spend the last few years? 10 to 12 years. Science and literature in Isfahan. Very good. And he died in June 428 in Persia. And he was how old? 58 years of age. Now, he said, I prefer ... but easy life. Now, what would you like to have? I mean, life is a gift of Allah, and we should be thankful for the blessings we are gifted with. A short life with some meaning, service for good, and sincerity is very important. To help others, be kind, take care of others, and to do something for the greater good is the best thing that we can do in our life. So, it's exactly, what would you like to have, a long life or whatever our life? Because each one of us has come, Allah ne hum sabko kyun bheja hai? There is a reason. We have to try and do the best we can for everybody, mankind as a whole. Okay? Good. All right. So what I want you to do is look at the video and write that in your copies. Okay? Allah Hafiz.